Hi friends, so I'm back again with this new information with some other interesting information in our video. So what happened is sometimes we have a data we want to share with the people but we do not want them to make changes. We do not want them to make editing in our file. So how do we do that? Like suppose this file, this is that file that we do not want anyone to make changes, and I'm the user and I just got this file, and when I open this file I see this option read only, and whenever I make changes it shows, but the moment I click on Control S it shows this error, this shows this message. Or if I make some changes, if you want to save this, I can save as I cannot save uh, this file in that particular location. I can only save in my other drive, in my other location, my defined location. This will go for the save as option. This will not save in that particular file that is was already locating. So how to do that? Let's get started. Okay friends, to do this file read only, all you need to do is to go to file menu. Once you click on the file menu, we have to go to info button. Once you click on the info button, you will get this option, the project workbook. So you need to click always open read only option. So the moment you click on this option, your file is protected, but you are the administrator of this file, so you can make changes and you can save it. So we already have made changes on this file, so we close this file and we suppose we have already sent this file to the user. So the moment we will click on this file, the user will open this file. User will not get this option because Excel knows us that is the administrator system, so this will pop this message to admin only. To the user it will not show this option. So the author would like you to open this file as read only, or you can make changes, because this is my file, that's why I am getting this message, otherwise you'll not get this. So the user will get no option. The user will get the option that is the read only file. It will show like this, and the user will make any changes and it will show this as this message. Okay, so the user try to save this file. This user will not be able to save this file in because it is already in read only. So all the option the user has is to save as. User can go for save as, but user cannot save in the same location. If user go ahead and do the save as option, it goes to the same folder, and it will show the copy of that file, and in the same location. Let's go to the same location. I am in the same location and it has created another file. This did not make any changes in that particular file which I already sent to the user. It was still there. Let's see. So I made some changes in this file and I tried to save, but it created another file, and my file which I already sent to the user, it is safe. It shows safe. That's the benefit of the read only. So now if you want to make changes in your read only file, so the moment you will open this, you will get this message. So you have to go for a no option, and once you click on no, then you can easily able to edit, and now you can save it. Control S. Now again, if you open this file, you can see those changes. Okay, now we want to remove that read only mark from our file. We do not want that. So what do we do? We need to go again back to the file and info, and we have to go to the project workbook and click untick on this one. And now you have this file is no longer read only. So now a user can go ahead and make changes in this file and go for it. So that was it for this video. We will come back again with the new thing. things. So till the time, please keep watching, keep learning. Thank you very much.